In this video, we're going to learn how to export only a portion of the timeline, which means exporting just a selected section instead of the full video. To do this properly, we first need to understand how to set in and out points. Let's start. Move your playhead to the position where you want your export to begin. Now press the I key on your keyboard. This sets the in point. Next, move your playhead to where you want the export to end. Press the O key on your keyboard. This sets the out point. You will now see a highlighted area on the timeline ruler between the in and out points. That highlighted section is what Premiere recognizes as your selected range. Now, go to the Export tab at the top. In the Export window, look for Source Range and make sure it is set to in to out. This tells Premiere to export only the selected portion between your in and out points. Choose your format, preset, file name, and location as usual. Then click Export. Premiere will now export only that selected section of the timeline. If you later want to export the entire sequence again, make sure to clear the in and out points. And that's it. You now know how to set in and out points using the keyboard and export only a portion of your timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.